here to see us. Okay, guys. I have my new clay, and Santa give me my new clay from Christmas. And it's still Christmas. It's gonna have 2 minutes. The Christmas every day is gonna be Christmas. Okay? We have a roller and another motor of the ejection motor and the standard and the roller and the real motor, and we have a knife. Okay? We have a lot of instructions to do it. Okay? And we have a lot of things to do it. And we're gonna like to do it. And this is from Santa again. Santa came again. Okay, so now we're gonna open. I already say the last one. It's so nice, and I just easily broke the box. Nice. Ta-da! This one. And then we got the clay. On only this clay we should use pink, white, blue. So we're going to use that. We have the motor and roller. And also we have the induction motor. Okay? So now we have this extraction. This has to be 2 minutes. Look. Oh, so let's put it back. Now let's open it. Now we're ready to play. Let's roll it. I'll do it. And push it. Let's open it. I'm helping Mommy, okay? And Hopper is also helping us, no? Hopper's not saying hi. Hopper, say hi. Hi! Hopper, say hi. Hopper's not saying hi.
Ba't naman siyempre?
Gay. Abby.
Yeah, sure.
Now we can put the ice. Mommy, this is for the ice. I want to put these. Guys, we will make the tail.
the name of the unicorn?
Bluey. Other unicorn. No, I opened. for the pink unicorn. And it's the same color pink. That's the pink clay.
Sige na, aga. Ilabay ko na lang ng unicorn.
I will slice it.
Okay, slice it.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, nice.
Cute. Cute. How adorable. It's so adorable. So pretty. And his name Purpley. There is Bluey, Purpley. They're gonna say hi. 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 And my name is Purpley. My name is Bluey. We're gonna start doing the fly. Here's some motor for the white. So are we 3 unicorns already? Look at this. Now it's super cute. I'm liking this one. Look, the 1 to 1 goes. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, subscribe for more videos. Just like my video tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Okay, I love you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my new video. Okay, because it's a new toy.